Ever felt like your streaming options are a bit limited? You know when you can't access some of your favorite shows or content just because of where you are? Look no further. In today's video, we'll share with you the best VPN for streaming that will unlock a world of limitless entertainment, ExpressVPN. Don't miss the exclusive offers that this VPN service has for you, so make sure to check the links in the description below. Now, onto the video. Known for its top-notch security and super-fast servers across 94 countries, ExpressVPN is the ultimate choice for streaming your favorite movies, TV shows, sports events, and more. Let's see how easy it is to use ExpressVPN for streaming. Step 1. Download and install ExpressVPN on your device. It's compatible with Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS. You can also use it on your smart TV or gaming consoles. Step 2. Connect to a server. Choose a server location based on your desired streaming content. For example, if you want to access US library on your favorite streaming site, connect to a server in the United States. Step 3. Optimize your streaming. For the best experience, select the Smart Location feature on the app. It automatically connects you to the fastest server available, ensuring smooth, buffer-free streaming bliss. Now, just to put it out there, streaming with a VPN may not guarantee access to all content due to the terms and conditions set by streaming platforms. Always ensure you comply with the streaming services policies and guidelines. This VPN isn't just a one-trick pony for streaming, it's also a fortress for your online privacy. Let me share some of the other awesome perks you get when you use it, especially when it comes to security. ExpressVPN uses military-grade AES-256 encryption to keep your data under lock and key. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or just browsing the web, you can rest assured that your personal information remains shielded from prying eyes. And get this, ExpressVPN follows a strict no-logs policy. That means they don't keep any records of your online activity. Your digital footprints? Erase like they were never there in the first place. Plus, with ExpressVPN's network lock kill switch feature, you're always protected. If your VPN connection ever drops, it automatically cuts off your internet connection, ensuring none of your data leaks out accidentally. And that's it! With ExpressVPN, you can stream with confidence, knowing your connection is secure and your data is encrypted. We believe it is the best streaming VPN, making your virtual world a truly limitless experience. Go ahead and give ExpressVPN a try. They offer a risk-free trial for 30 days if you don't want to commit to a full subscription yet. If you're unhappy with the service, you can easily get your money back. Just reach out to their 24/7 customer support to process a refund. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for discounts. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content. Thanks for watching.